In this video, I'll be going over unit rates. Unit rates are a ratio between two different units with 1 as a denominator, and is referred to as per 1 unit. Essentially, what we're trying to do is taking the ratio of one and convert it to another. So let's take a look at the first example here. We have 120 puppies per 8 stores, and we want to find out how many puppies per store. So in this case, we have 120 puppies divided by 8, and this is equivalent to how many puppies per 1 store. So the unit rate we would convert to the ratio with the denominator of 1, and we know that 8 can divide by 8 to get to 1. And we need to perform the same operator for the denominator as the numerator, or vice versa. So if we divide the bottom, 8 divided by 8 equals 1, we would need to do the same for 120. What is 120 divided by 8? Using a calculator, you can find out that the answer comes out to 15 over 1. So this means that 120 puppies per 8 stores is equivalent to 15 puppies per store. So the answer is 15. Now the second example, 14 sodas drank per week equals how many sodas per day? So we will take 14, and notice that the question mentioned per week and want you to convert to day, and we know it's 7 days per week, so we will convert that to 7. Then per day is 1, and we're trying to find out this value. So as we can see, 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and we would do the same on top. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. So the answer is 2 over 1, which means that it's 2 sodas per day. Okay, for the last example, 70 hours of screen time in 2 weeks is equivalent to how many hours of screen time per day? We're going to take 70 divided by, now this example is the same as the previous. It mentions 2 weeks and want to convert to per day. So 2 weeks would be equivalent to 7 times 2 was 14. So that will be 14 in the denominator. And we're trying to find out how many hours of screen time per day. So 14 divided by 14 equals 1. And we'll do the same in the numerator. And we're trying to find out the answer. So 70 divided by 14 is 5. So 5 over 1, which means it's 5 hours of screen time per day. So these are 3 examples of how you will find unit rates. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.